pouch, we are committed to sustainable practices.
Inside the threshing drum, the rasp bars rapidly separate the soybeans from the pods. This ensures only the highest quality beans fall into the chamber below.
The automated system ensures every egg is handled gently, maintaining the quality we need for the world's #1 mayonnaise.
Using optical scanners and weight sensors, we guarantee the perfect egg for our real mayonnaise.
These pale yellow soybeans are carefully collected, destined for our renowned real mayonnaise.
Our commitment to quality starts right here, utilizing advanced technology to process the finest soybeans for our mayonnaise.
All right, logging the current weight at 80 metric tons. We'll need to schedule the next pickup soon.
Here in the collection area, our team carefully inspects and prepares the fresh brown eggs for transport to the factory.
We only use the finest quality brown eggs, stored here at 4 degrees Celsius. This ensures, keep coming straight back, hold it right.
Here we see the high-quality soybeans being rapidly transferred pneumatically into the silos, ensuring freshness from the start.
Maintain peak freshness. Quality is paramount. That is why our team meticulously inspects every egg for imperfections before we use them in our mayonnaise. Our automated system ensures every brown egg is perfectly clean, using warm water jets and soft brushes before moving to the drying section. This industrial grain cleaning machine uses vibrating screens and powerful air jets to ensure only the highest quality soybeans move to the next stage. In the quality control lab, we meticulously inspect every batch, ensuring the soybeans meet our strict standard.
The batch numbers and paperwork are all in order.
Confirmed. The seals are intact on all 4.
This is where we begin the oil extraction process. These cracking rollers break the soybeans into smaller flakes before the solvent extraction.
Next up, the soybeans enter our state-of-the-art flaking mill. The rollers compress them into these paper-thin flakes, ready for the oil extraction process.
Check the flow rate on the miscela line. Stable at 20 cubic meters per hour. The pressure looks good.
As you can see, the solvent evaporates, leaving behind the pure, high-quality soybean oil that goes into every pouch.
Flow rate on the deodorizer looks stable. Yes, the vacuum pressure is holding steady.
As you can see, the eggs are precisely cracked by this machine, ensuring only the highest quality yolks and whites make it into our mayonnaise.
Here we see the precision separation of the yolks from the whites, ensuring only the highest quality ingredients move to the next stage.
As you can see, the yolk is heated to 61 degrees Celsius and held in this section for exactly 3.5 minutes. In this state-of-the-art mixing hall, we combine the finest real eggs and oil in these vessels to ensure the perfect, smooth consistency of our mayonnaise.
As you can see on the Coriolis meter, the oil is dosed at exactly 150 kilograms per minute, ensuring the highest quality mayonnaise.
As you can see, the thick, golden yolk flows steadily into the refined soybean oil, precisely measured by the inline flow meter.
Here we see the distilled white vinegar being precisely metered into the mixing vessel. This ensures a perfect balance of flavor in every batch.
Dosing is precise on all 3.
Looks good. We are ready for mixing.
As you can see, the eggs and oil are drawn into the vortex.
The refined golden soybean oil is slowly added to the mixing vessel, transforming the mixture into the thick, pale.
Look at how thick and glossy the mayonnaise is. This is the result of our high shear mixing process, ensuring the perfect texture every time.
Here we perform a vital quality check, ensuring the mayonnaise has that perfect, thick, and glossy texture our customers expect. Using precise measurements, we test the pH and viscosity of the mayonnaise. We carefully check the viscosity and microstructure of the mayonnaise. This ensures the perfect, stable emulsion for the best flavor.
Here in the quality control lab, we ensure every batch meets our strict viscosity standards. As you can see, it's perfectly within range.
The oil percentage is holding steady at 79.9.
Yes, supervisor, all parameters are well within spec.
The batch is approved. Go ahead and initiate the transfer.
Confirmed. Initiating transfer sequence.
As you can see through the viewing section, the mayonnaise is flowing smoothly from the pumps to the holding tanks at a steady pace.
Attention all staff. Batch transfer is complete for tanks 1 through 6. Ensure temperatures remain stable at 4 degrees Celsius.
The flow rate here looks steady, right within parameters.
Yes, and the temperature is holding stable as well.
As you can see, the inline sensors confirm the color, viscosity, and a perfect pH of 3.8. Hellmann's quality guaranteed.
This is our signature stand-up pouch, filled with the thick, glossy mayonnaise our customers love. We closely monitor the tension here to ensure the chevron pattern aligns perfectly.
The process begins as the continuous film is precisely cut. Our stand-up pouches feature the iconic Hellmann's.
The vibrating bowl aligns the caps perfectly before the pneumatic arm swiftly secures them onto our stand-up pouches. This precise application of heat and pressure creates a hermetic seal, locking in the freshness of our real mayonnaise.
This is the hot water bath integrity test. We maintain the water at 60 degrees Celsius to ensure every pouch is perfectly sealed before it leaves the factory.
Here we use high-velocity air at exactly 40 degrees Celsius to dry the pouches. This ensures the packaging is pristine for our consumers.
Here at the Hellmann Pouch factory.
The check weigher ensures every pouch is within the target range. If it's off by even a gram, the diverter arm sends it to the reject bin. We use a precise L-shaped seal across the cap, ensuring that our real mayonnaise reaches you exactly as it left the factory.
The machine precisely folds the flaps. Then the dual tape applicators secure the carton.
Our state-of-the-art robotic palletizing station stacks the mayonnaise pouches in this precise...
At the final stage, the rotary arm wraps the pallet under high tension, ensuring these Hellmann's cartons are completely secure before shipping.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.